channel. If you are new, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to click on that notification bell so you will always know when I upload a video here on my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all what I got for Christmas. These are all gifts that I have received from my parents, and I am just super happy, blessed, and grateful for everything that I have. I am in no way bragging about what I have gotten for Christmas. I'm just simply sharing with you all everything that I got, so I hope you all enjoy. I do this video almost every year. I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. If you're interested in seeing what I got for Christmas, then just make sure you guys keep on watching. First item that I have here is this really cute pajama set. It comes with a pajama top and a pajama bottom. These are Christmas themed PJs. Have little holly berries on them, but they're super cute. They're nice and warm and they're very comfortable. This came in a set here, the top and then with the pants, cotton thermal material. I also got another PJ set here. The shirt here just says cozy up. It's a short sleeve shirt. It's very comfortable. Also a pair of this knitted long bottom pants. They're really soft, they're very comfortable. This has a drawstring here, but these are really comfortable to wear. I also got this robe. It is so soft and cozy. It's a gray robe. It's really warm. It just has a collar. It's a long sleeve robe. You can just tie it here. I love this so much. Keeps you nice and warm during the winter months. This is what it looks like. I also got this lens kit here. It's a 7-in-1 phone lens kit. Portable, easy to use for 7 lenses. And basically this is onto your phone device, so you can clip a lens onto your device and then you're able to take professional like photos. This is really cool and I can't wait to use it. I also got a purse. This is a really pretty pink purse. 2 clips here where you can put a strap, and it comes with a strap on the inside. But what's really cool is on the outside you can put your phone in here. You don't have to take it out. You can just use it like this and type on the back of this to access your phone. I think it's really good, especially since COVID is going around. I'm using this a lot. I don't like to take my phone out. I always wipe it off with a wipe or a handy wipe. I don't like doing that all the time, so I'm just gonna from now on keep my phone in here and just use my phone that way. It comes with a front pouch here, so you can also put your phone here or whatever you like in this pouch. Also the bigger zipper here. Put all your cards in here. Organize your cards, like your credit, debit cards, everything in this pouch. Also comes with a strap. I also ended up getting 2 phone cases, both the same, but this one is blue, this clear front and back to put your phone in. Is on my phone right now, but it is black. And it's the same too. The last item that I ended up getting is a new iPhone, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm super excited about this one because I had mentioned before that my last phone, the screen was cracked. And this is the phone here. This is what it looks like. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. A charging cord. It has a little device to get SIM card out of. It didn't come with the little earbud plugs, and then it didn't come with the charging block in this one. If you do end up getting that phone, that's something you'll have to get extra. If you don't already have earbuds or a charging block, you'll have to get those separately. This is the phone here. I absolutely love it. I currently have it in my case right now. This is what the back of the phone looks like. Working on getting all of my stuff transferred over onto this phone. It's taking a while to load from my last phone. First I got a new phone because my screen was cracked. I couldn't use my front-facing camera. Super exciting. So everything that I got for Christmas this year. I'm super happy and grateful for everything that I got for Christmas. I hope you guys are grateful for everything that you have gotten for Christmas. If you're unable to get anything, just be grateful for everything that you already have. This video is in no shape, way, or form bragging about what I have. I'm just simply sharing with you guys everything that I did receive for Christmas, and I am super blessed and grateful for it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got for Christmas. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye, doll.